Hello, bosses. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this episode of Sci Strange Magic Book Cooking. Today, I bring you a strange dessert named Loli Island. Island.
The ingredients of Lolita Island are simple.
First, Loli.
Loli must have pineapple and pears. And that's the Lolita Island. I bought a fish tank to replace the remaining waves on the island.
I made some blue jelly by myself. Of course, if you think it's troublesome, you can directly buy the ready-made blue jelly outside, which is easier. Next, let's deal with the waves. Cut that Tiffany blue into precise cubic shapes. When they fell into the glass container, making a dull sound like a glacier collapse. This damn copywriting. There is actually no sound, but the transparent blue makes people feel refreshed. Next, let's handle the pineapple, and jelly. This combination is really slippery. It's just a mess. It can still be arranged into a beautiful shape. Examples of the finishing touch. Without it, pineapple is just pineapple. But with it, it becomes a lowly pineapple. But at least in words, it becomes a lowly. Finally, add a little sinful red syrup to the Loli Island and a shark with clear eyes. Let's complete the last step in this dessert. To complete step of this dessert. If you like my videos, remember to follow, comment, and Mr. President, please enjoy your meal.